This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to the Boieldieu Bridge. Here, we are at the start of the Right Bank Bridge, and if you look a little, you should see a commemorative plaque in homage to Joan of Arc. On this plaque is inscribed the following sentence. Near here, on Wednesday, May 30th, 1431, after the torture of the Old Market, the ashes of Joan of Arc were thrown into the Seine from the top of the old Mathilde bridge. By burning Joan of Arc in Rouen and scattering her ashes in the Seine, then destroying all of her belongings, the English wanted to make her disappear so that we would have neither a place of worship nor an object for remember her. Today, Joan of Arc is very present in Rouen life, and in this regard, I recommend that you come and participate in the new Joan of Arc festivals, which take place on Ascension weekend in May.